In 3, 2, 1. This ain't build a bitch. You don't get to pick and choose. Different ass and bigger boobs. If my eyes are brown or blue, this ain't build a bitch. I'm filled with flaws and attitude. So if you need perfect, I'm not built for you. Bob the Builder broke my heart and told me I need fixing. Said that I'm just nuts and bolts, lot of parts were missing. Curvy like a cursive font, virgin and a vixen. That's the kind of girl he wants, but he forgot. This ain't build a bitch. You don't get to pick and choose. Different ass and bigger boobs. If my eyes are brown or blue, this ain't build a bitch. I'm filled with flaws and attitude. So if you need perfect, I'm not built for you. 1, 2, 3. La 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 la. La 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 la. Boys are always playing dolls, looking for their Barbie. They don't look like Ken at all, hardly have a heartbeat. Need someone who falls apart so he can play Prince Charming. That's the kind of girl he wants, but he forgot. This ain't build a bitch. You don't get to pick and choose. Different ass and bigger boobs. If my eyes are brown or blue, this ain't build a bitch. I'm filled with flaws and attitude. So if you need perfect, I'm not built for you. 1, 2, 3. La 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 la. La 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 la. La 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 la. La 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 la. We did it. If you did like this video, make sure you give it a big old thumbs up. Also, don't forget to hit that red subscribe button below and the bell notification to be notified every single time I upload a video right here on the YouTubes. Thank you so much for watching. I absolutely love it. And also, if you have recently subscribed to this channel, welcome to the Uke fam, the best Uke fam on the YouTubes, in my opinion. We post pretty much almost daily videos, tutorials, play-alongs, and all the uke stuff. So if that's what you're interested in, learning songs on the uke, then definitely hit that subscribe button. Also, if you're like, Ricky, what is that beautiful uke you're playing? I'll tell you right now, this is a tenor-sized glossy Kala ukulele. Fun fact, this is the second uke I ever bought myself a few years ago, and it's still been in my collection. I'm a sucker for the gloss and just the size, the tenor. It looks absolutely amazing. If you do want to go get this uke, I'll leave a link in the description below. I highly recommend it. If you're looking for a solid tenor mahogany uke, link will be in the description below for this. Also, I have awesome strings on this uke as well. Very special, awesome string. They're D'Addario strings, low G. I'll leave a link for that in the description below. Thank you so much for watching. Also, links to all of my socials will be linked below. You can just search just Ricky Somborn on any social media platform, and I'll be there. So make sure to add me on those. Thank you so much for watching. Let me know what you think about this video and also about just TikTokers being singers in general. I absolutely love it. I always support artists and just creators who want to get into music. I think it's amazing. Let me know what you think in the comments below. I love you. I hate to leave you, but I'll see you in my next video. Bye.